Hi guys, it's Targi with the Pinpoint My Home YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to show you how to insulate your garage door for less than $100. Alright guys, to get the project done you're going to need a 4-foot or longer straight edge, a tape measure, a sharpie marker, and a handsaw. If you need any of these tools, I'll have links in the description below. I started with estimating how much material I was going to need by drawing out a quick sketch of the back of my garage door. This also came in handy for determining material cuts. I ran to my local home center and picked up 4 4-foot by 8-foot sheets of 1.5-inch styrofoam insulation with aluminum backing. The aluminum acts as a reflecting agent while the foam reduces the transfer of heat. Using the dimensions from my sketch, I marked my first cut and slowly cut the foam with my handsaw. The more narrow your blade, the less cleanup you'll have. Most likely you'll need to make 2 cuts per panel. Once you have your first piece, it's time to install. The vertical measurement should be 1 inch longer than the opening so the panel will stay in place without adhesive or fasteners. If you cut the pieces correctly, you should be able to slide the top in first and then the bottom will drop into place. Make sure you install the panels with the aluminum backing facing the inside of the garage. The backing is designed to reflect radiant heat back into the garage during the winter, and the insulation is designed to block heat transfer during the summer. Leave your comments below and tell us what tips and tricks you've used to complete this project. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, or share, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified about future videos, and thanks for watching.